So my boyfriend's going viral for this extra special empty your fridge out salad that he makes with love. I am trying to convince him to do the voiceover, so here is him doing the voiceover.
Season your salmon, wash your salad, and just make sure all the ingredients are prepped and clean and ready to be cut up. My favorite part about making a salad is just slicing and cutting up everything. And it has to be done thinly because I don't want her choking on, anything.
So y'all, tell me why on his viral video on YouTube, most of the comments are, oh my gosh, get him a mandolin.
I don't need a mandolin. I got the skills.
Let's normalize not telling our men or trying to correct them when they're doing something so beautifully. He makes this thing with so much love. I prepared the salmon to perfection, and when I tell you this thing is made with love, check it out.
After the salmon is ready and all the ingredients are cut up, my favorite part is layering the salad. Just making sure all the ingredients are put on top of one another so you can just enjoy the salad without having to necessarily mix it. And all the ingredients are in every bite. And how I decide what I put in the salad, basically it's anything that I have in my fridge, but I still make sure that all the ingredients go along and will taste good together. And fellas, cook for your girl, whether you know how to or not. At the very least, she will appreciate the action and the thought behind it. And just throw anything in a bowl. It will taste good. Trust me.